Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add a drop-down menu in Shopify. Creating and customizing menus in Shopify allows you to organize your store's navigation, making it easier for customers to browse products and pages. You can add main menus, sub-menus, and links to different sections of your store directly from the admin panel. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a menu in Shopify. First, open the admin Shopify website on your browser. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. On the left panel, click on Content. Now, you can select the menu option. Here, you will see the footer menu and the customer account main menu. To create a menu, click on Create Menu at the top. Enter the menu name in the given area. You can move towards the menu items. Then, click on Add Menu Items. Now, add the label and links in the given boxes. For demonstration, I have entered the shop in the label and all products linked in the links box. Here, you can see that I have also entered the t-shirt menu item. To add more menu items, click on Add Menu Item. In this way, you can add various items and also change their links. Drag the second menu item and drop it in the shop menu. Now, you can add more items, and they will be shown in the shop menu. For demonstration, I have made the pants menu, and hit the tick icon to save it. Lastly, hit the Save button to save the changes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.